Hi, like and subscribe because we're gonna play a messy game. I've never played it. I haven't even played the cat version or the baby. Why are we headphone That's on your TV, Beanbag. It's not mine. I don't care.
Stop it!
No, I'm not gonna stop it.
Michael,
Mine.
those were a gift.
I don't care, man. Headbutt. I'm just headbutting. Oh, man. Nope. Oh, I did. Oh, what? Oh. Did you see
I
that?
worked hard on that.
I worked hard on that. I don't care, man. And plus, this isn't for me. Oh, I do hate bananas. Banana split, get it? Girl, but okay.
Careful with your bowl.
That is not my bowl. I'm not a cat. I'm a baby.
Ah, kibble everywhere.
Kibble? What's kibble? Shouldn't you be
Don't
more...
make me go to IKEA again.
Please. I'm your baby. You should care about my mental health because that fell on me, man. I might as well destroy the beanbags, to be honest. Destroy.
Now, where will I watch TV?
You don't need the TV anyway. Don't cry, you're saying oh. You don't need to poop, by the way. The lamp. Headbutting the lamp is totally fine. Oh, I just headbutted my cat. Now I can headbutt. You wouldn't like me.
Why?
I'm your baby. You're meant to control my feelings. Ooh. I'm adorable and I'm hitting
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Now, where will my models sit?
I don't know, because you don't even have the painting, so... Oh, now you...
Fire!
And you're not going to stop me, man. What kind of mum is she?
I wanted that. Don't get so spicy. There's nothing safe from you.
How about you be a good mum? How about you don't need your fridge anymore?
Not my fridge! I got that for you.
Ooh.
That was my favorite lamp. No, how will I wipe now?